As people pleasers, we often unwittingly sabotage what we want the most: genuine connection. For me, that genuine connection felt incredibly distant. I only hoped for acceptance, to just be good enough. And I poured an immense amount of willpower and effort to try to get that. For decades, I was trapped in a cycle of negative self talk, fear of failure, and terrified of rejection. I had accumulated triggers from my traumas and expectations from school, church, work, and society. These triggers drag us down. Studies show that people pleasing is primarily driven by fear of failure, fear of blame, fear of rejection. The real obstacles to genuine connection aren't other people or our circumstances. They are overwhelmingly our own internal triggers. Those deep seated insecurities, fears, unhealthy expectations, and questionable conclusions we carry. With a background in computer programming and math, I approached this challenge like an engineer. I saw we need to reverse the process of accumulating triggers, to eliminate them. I found a way. By using the tools I found and developed, for over 6 years, I have consciously lived from desire rather than fear and expectations. I've experienced practically no negative self talk for the last 3.5 years. My marriage is better than I could have ever dreamed, filled with emotional safety, profound joy, and genuine connection. I see suffering everywhere I look. People don't feel safe enough to genuinely be themselves. They struggle in relationships, they battle addiction, or are stuck in grief. So many feel alone. A 2023 Cigna study found that 58% of Americans identify as lonely. I am driven by a deep desire that no one should ever have to feel alone. My talk offers a tangible path for people pleasers and anyone carrying these internal burdens to achieve true freedom from triggers. It's not just a hopeful idea, it's a proven method that leads directly to the genuine connection and peace of mind we all intrinsically crave.